Hi and what's up? In today's episode is going to be fast, simple and very delicious outcome, and it's going to take about 5 minutes. Yeah, so if you're making this for your lunch or dinner, it's going to take about 5 minutes and then you're done. So I'm going to be making rice stir fry and I'm going to be including beans. So it's going to be beans with rice stir fry. Yeah. So I'm going to be using red capsicum, onion, garlic, and you'll find all the ingredients listed in the description box down below. And I have tomatoes. I have pre-boiled beans, and cooked rice, which is refrigerated. Yeah. And I'm going to also to be using a few spices. So without further ado, I'm going to move over to the stove top, and on medium heat I'm going to add cooking oil. Then next I'm going to add in my onions. This is one small medium white onion. Stir in. Let the onions cook until soft. I'm using white onion for this recipe because it is usually sweet. So it's going to release its own sweetness into the dish and it's going to make a very awesome stir fry. So next I'll be adding garlic. Stir in the garlic. So as my garlic is cooking, I'm also going to be adding in my spices. So I'm going to add curry powder, cumin, 1 seasoning cube, and black pepper. Stir in the spices so that they can cook together with the onions. And at this point I'm using low flame because I don't want my garlic to burn. Next I'll be adding tomatoes. Stir in the tomatoes. Then I'm going to cook my tomatoes until soft. So this will be about 2 to 3 minutes on low. So this is how my tomatoes are looking at this point. As you can see, they are cooked through. So I'm going to be adding in my beans, and I'm using the red kidney beans. As you can see, they are already cooked and ready for my stir fry. So I'm going to add in my beans, stir in. Then I'm going to check the seasoning. The seasoning is not perfect, so I'm going to add salt. I need my stir fry to be perfect. Stir in, and then I'm going to give this a minute to cook. And it's smelling amazing from the spices to the cooked beans and the sweet pepper. The sweet pepper, you can actually tell it's red pepper because of the aroma. So I'm going to add in rice. Then I'm going to stir in the rice, breaking the rice because it is cold rice from the fridge. is how it's looking, and you can actually tell this is going to be delicious from the color. Wow. So any lumps of rice I see, I'm breaking down with my spatula because I want everything to be well combined with the bean stew. Yeah. So I'm going to give this about a minute just to cook together with the spices so that everything can combine and give out an amazing rice stir fry. So I'll just keep turning and flipping my rice so that it doesn't burn. And this already smells amazing. My rice is looking amazing and I love the aroma. And I love how the garlic adds a lot of flavor in the rice. You can actually smell everything. The aroma is just amazing, just to be precise. So my rice is ready and I'm going to serve mine. And then I'm going to show you how amazing it looks. And I hope you can taste this right now. I actually hope you can just smell and taste the rice. It's so amazing. So there you have it, guys. It has been an amazing 5 minutes because everything is already cooked. So this is how it's looking and I love the taste, I love the flavor, and I'm going to enjoy my stir fry rice just the way it is. If you like, you can combine this rice recipe with stew maybe or chicken, and you're still going to enjoy your rice with beans stir fry. So thank you so much for watching and I hope I'll catch you on my next one.